Hi, it's Richard here from SleepHaven, just with a bit of a Tuesday tip for you about rug cleaning. Here, got a lovely big rug that we've just collected from a customer from their dining area. Now when we clean rugs, we hang them up, beat them first of all, and then we deep vac them front and back. So when you think about the olden days and your grandma or whatever, when she was beating the rugs, she was quite right to do that because of the amount of soil that they retain and hold. So here I've got the rug down and this is the back of the rug. Now when we clean them, as I say, we deep vac them 2 or 3 times with the Sevo Hoover, and it's got a beta bar that really vibrates and cleans the rug. So if we have a little look, and if Dan zooms in, you can see why we clean the back of the rugs as well as the front. And if I just pull this back here, and as I'm pulling it back, Dan can show all the dirt that's there. So all this dirt from the back has come through. And then what we'll do, we'll get this, get the broom, we'll sweep off the sheet, and here you can see the dust. I'll pull that through. And that's just part of the dirt that was in the rug. So what we'll do, we'll pull the rug back, sweep it, flip the rug over, vac again, sweep off the dust, and we'll do that 2 or 3 times to get rid of this, all this soil that's retained in the rug. And then what we'll do, we'll get the hot water extraction system, and then we'll start actually washing and cleaning the rug. So quick tip for you, because it's Tuesday, when you're hoovering your rugs, don't only do the front, do the back. Flip them over, and that's what we'll be extracting. It will keep your rugs a lot cleaner, and it will stop that grit rubbing into the fibres and harming your rug. So if you've got any questions, just give us a call on 01327 342 594, and we're happy to help. Take care.